Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, do you know that your kidney worth $262,000, which if you are to calculate it to Nigerian naira, it will be giving us more than 130 million naira. So why are you not grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Why are you complaining that you don't have money? You have not eaten, you don't have much. Each person, Allahu Akbar. We are priceless, we human beings. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created in us, Wallahi lazim, they are priceless. Which means that you on your own, Wallahi, you are rich. You are rich. Stop complaining, my brothers and sisters in Islam. Don't ever complain about a risk, the provision that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to you. Stop complaining. In any condition that you find yourself, just be grateful to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Please help us share this video and subscribe to Arridowy Lectures TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.